Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a drawing file for your presentation animation. So the first thing you need to do is open up your animation .ipn file, and once you have it open, you need to get your screen to look like mine, where every piece is kind of in an isometric rotation and you can see all the pieces for the most part. I don't want you to have any pieces being blocked or overshadowed by another piece. So once you do that, the next thing you'll do is open up a drawing file. This file needs to look just like all the other drawing files, which means you have to change your sheet size, and you need to change your title block to be ANSI A. If you need help on that, let me know in class. I should have a video on how to do that here soon. Once you do that and you have your title block set, go up to base view like you always do, click on that, and you should have your animation as your selected file. But this time what I need you to do, move that window to the side and select orientation to be current. The current means whatever view that you have open down below here is the view you're going to see on your drawing file. So go ahead and move that onto the left hand side and click, and then right click and OK. Now I need to go ahead and change the scale on this one, so I'll edit view and we'll go to 1/2. We'll make it a little larger. Alright, the next thing you need to do is go up to annotate, select annotate, and we will add balloons. The balloon is just going to point to each part individually by number. So when you do that, make sure your mouse is on an outside edge of your piece. The first time you do it, you're going to get this window, BOM properties, bill of material properties. Just hit OK on that, and your balloon needs to be at some angle. I don't want vertical lines and I don't want horizontal lines. I want it at some angle, and once you've chosen your spot, you just click and then right click, continue, and you'll do that for all your parts. This one here, wherever you click on the part is where your arrow will come from. Click, right click, continue. You'll do that for all your parts. Make sure to click and then right click, continue. Now once you have all of your balloons listed, the next thing you need to do is create your parts list. So we need to, up here on the ribbon is your icon, parts list. Now your OK is not, it's dimmed out right now, so what you need to do is just click on your view that you have and it'll open up and activate your OK button. So go ahead and hit OK once you can, and it gives you the outline for your parts list, and try and put it over here on the right side. Otherwise you may put it down here in this corner, but try and put it in this side here. Just click to place it. And the last thing you'll do is, we don't have a description for our parts, so we don't want that column. So all you have to do is right click, when the lettering is all red, right click and edit parts list. Up here in the upper left corner is column chooser, so select the icon for column chooser, and over here is all the columns that are being shown. So we want to select description and we want to remove that from what's being shown. Hit OK on that and OK through that window, and you should have a nice neat parts list for your drawing. Just make sure you hit save and export the file as an image. It's going to ask me to save it first, so make sure to save it and then export it as an image, and that will be your last file that you will put onto your Google site, which we will talk about on Tuesday.